Christmas! Yeah!
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow.
What the hell? Santa Claus? Surprise, surprise, Timmy. You've been really naughty. What? No, I haven't. But aren't you supposed to have white beard and red clothes and stuff? No, I have these kind of clothes, and you've been really naughty. You idiot. What have I done? You've killed a little boy that has cancer and AIDS. I don't know how that's possible. And then your stupid song. You disturbed a lot of people. You think that's a Christmas song? No. Hell no. You understand? You understand? Will I still get some presents? No. You understand? You've done really bad. Look. Look at this. I can't work with this. You idiot. You punched him so hard that he doesn't even have any face anymore. You understand? Oh, shit. You goddamn right, you shit. No, you're not gonna get any presents this time. Okay, so, presents. No presents. Not for you. You understand? No presents. Alright, looks like I have to do the face. What? No, not the face. Presents. Oh shit. Okay. You'll get some presents this year. Yay, Santa Claus, I love you. Who does that? Santa Claus. You've become a part of a team. You become the part of the holiday heroes. I'm proud. Guys, we can't do this.